Today we're learning how to fade out audio. So instead of your sound cutting off abruptly, it gently fades away, giving your video a smooth and professional ending. Here's what you do first. Make sure your audio is already in the timeline. Tap on the audio track you want to fade out, whether it's music, a voice recording, or a sound effect. Once it's highlighted, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Fade. Now, you can see the fade out option. You'll see a slider. This controls how long the fade takes. Slide to the right for a slow, gradual fade, or keep it more to the left for a quick fade. Hit play and listen to how the audio ends. Adjust the slider until it feels just right. Once you're happy, tap the check mark and you're done. Your audio now ends smoothly instead of just stopping. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more quick VN video editing tricks.